back out on the travels again today, guys, and look who we've got with me this time. With this broken scooter. He has a puncture. Is it a puncture? It's a puncture, yeah.
I want to ask the lawnmower stuff to do the puncture.
Alright, get it checked over for your brakes and stuff, get a service done to it. Anyway, guys, hello, good afternoon. It's just gone past midday on Monday, start of another new week. So hope you're all keeping well. You haven't saw yesterday's video, or well, on a long adventure yesterday. Go check it out, guys, on the channel right now. And it's also match day today. Liverpool are playing tonight against Brighton. Their final away game for the Premier League this season.
Oh, sorry, I won't be watching that.
You won't be? No. Why?
I'm out tonight.
You'll be watching the match with your father?
No.
Pain in the ass. Anyway, yes, guys, he's got a broken scooter. Well, bit of a puncture.
See the flat tire?
Yeah, about the back there.
Flat tire. Come show.
I'll have to turn the camera in here and show you. Hold on. Right, go stand on it. Yeah, you can see it's flat. Yeah. What the hell did you crash into? Or what did you drive on?
I don't know, I've been driving on roads and paths and...
Yeah, well, go ahead, move and let me see how bad it is. Yeah, just go slow. What, you crashing? Oh, he's got a puncture on a scooter.
I'm driving like
I'll make her. But anyway, we're going to go off that and I'm going to go for a coffee.
I need to get home for that.
That's how his friends today, apparently.
What are we doing? We're going to do breakfast.
Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
You paying?
Even though I have breakfast.
Are you taking your father out for a spot of lunch?
For what money?
Anyway, guys, check out that video from yesterday. It was really, really good. I would appreciate it if you go and check it out. But yes, heading up here tonight at Halfords to get this thing fixed. Well, leave it in for it to be repaired anyway in the service. And then I'm going to head for a coffee, hopefully. What a beautiful day, isn't it? Look at that, stunning. Right, let's go and get this clamped scooter fixed. Let's go, big lads, get this fixed. Hopefully. You're not getting it back a day, you know that? Can't see it though. Aye. So may have to order you a tire. I don't know that until we get in here. I don't know. Let's see now. Up the back, isn't it? Right, let's go. It wasn't too bad of a trip. Hey, Lewis. Lewis, come here. We got run over here with the car and I'm talking to you. When did they say Friday it'll be fixed by? Could be a couple of days, but they did say the latest it'll be Friday. Hey, Lewis, what do you think of these for the garden? How cool. Aren't they awesome? Like foam boxes.
And look, there's your bird feeder.
They are amazing.
I like that one no more because the bird's sitting on top.
I like that one. I like both of them. I think they're amazing. They are, Lewis, just for you. Since you love pizza so much. Here you are, doggy. Come on, doggy. Pizza. Catch. Get the pizza.
Yeah, if you're such a dog, here's some doggy ice cream. Put it in the freezer for 30 minutes and you can eat
Get the pizza. Get the pizza before it goes to the 5-second rule. Go get the pizza. Go get the pizza, doggy. Oh my God, Lewis, look at this. All the different, look at the cereals for dogs. Frosties, Crunchy Nut Cornflakes. What one's that? Rice Krispies. Oh my God. Cereals for dogs. Seen them all now. Look.
here.
There's another one. Is this your next crave now? These messy bottles?
That's lemon lime. No, I don't like
Prime.
The first one I had was awful, so now.
You're not going to try one today?
Nope.
You're only down £2 a bottle, like. This isn't too bad. You're a flipping nightmare, you know that? Stuff that we bought we didn't even need. That stupid chocolate you wanted. And what else?
Not my fault I wanted them.
Where was the chocolate from again? Dubai?
It's the one with the statues and all on it.
I don't know. I haven't got a clue what you're talking about.
Why have you not seen it on TikTok yet?
Because I only watch certain things on TikTok. I don't watch stuff like that.
It was going viral at one point like a few months ago.
Okay, fair enough. Anyway, we're heading to my favourite place. Your favourite place?
How can this be your favourite place when you work in it?
I used to work in here. I loved in here. Left for the wrong reasons. Why am I not surprised you're at the PC section? What the hell are you looking at now? You've already got a PC. You don't need another PC. Jesus, look at the here. Wait, what's here? Look inside here, look. Oh my God, is that better than your PC? How much better?
Tell me about a lot.
A lot better, but your PC's decent. You've built your PC yourself. Right, this is ironic. I used to serve people on these type of computers years ago, so now Lewis is serving me. Are you going to help me here today, sir?
No.
Yeah, serving me, no? Right, you're sacked. That's my type of TV right there, look at that. 77-inch. Jesus, man. I'll fill the whole bloody wall. What the hell are you... What is your obsession with ham and cheese toasties at the minute? Huh? You're obsessed with ham and cheese toasties. Guys, we were out there a few weeks. Was it last week, right? And he had another one too as well, BDCS. Let's have a look. What did you get? Another cheese toastie from the other day. We're in here the other day, guys, and we got ham and cheese toasties. And I got an egg pop. Like a ham and cheese. What the hell is that? What is that?
I think I passed in 6 minutes. I don't know how over second.
It looks like a laxative in a cup. Oh, here, look at that there. That looks lovely. Get it in, you big lad. Jeez, look at this cheese pull. Oh my God. Enjoy that. My God. I think you were never fed. See, you've got a new obsession with ham and cheese toasties for some reason. Why is your new obsession with ham and cheese toasties? Huh? Lewis, what is your obsession with ham and cheese toasties? Ugh. You're desperate. Well, finally back home after all that antics today. Ran the mum and dad actually and Tony on the way home. They were actually out having coffee and the other Gregs and Bangor here, so they were, so we ran into them. But yes, that's Lewis's electric scooter left into Halfords now for repair. Well, a service and a repair at the same time. As you know, he had a puncture, but he's due for a service as well. So what they normally do is every year they change the brake pads or the brake discs, realign everything, make sure everything's fine, check the battery, everything's grand. So yeah, they do a very good service up there, so they do in Halford, so can't really complain to that. But anyway, that's going to bring us to the end of today. I'm going to go now and do some things around the house that I need to get done. And I got a couple of other things on this evening as well, plus I'm going to watch the Liverpool game. Now, there won't be any live reaction video for this one, guys, because you saw Lewis at the start of the video. He is not watching the game tonight, so he is out. Now he's gone, so I'll not see him till later on tonight, but I'll be watching the game. So we'll be on Sunday. We'll be doing 2 videos, well, possibly 3 videos on Sunday. We'll be doing one for the trophy lift. We'll be doing one for the live reaction, and obviously a vlog throughout the whole day leading up to the time Liverpool lift the Premier League trophy. I know I'd rather be at Liverpool this weekend. We're going to go to the parade on Monday too as well, but unfortunately we can't make it now because Lewis has got his GCSEs this week. I've said this before in the vlog, I didn't want to go on my own without him because again it's a massive thing like that. I don't want to be there without him being there. You know what I mean? I just wouldn't feel right. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video today, drop a like in this video, also subscribe below. I would appreciate it. Please go and check out yesterday's video, guys. What a day it was yesterday. The walking out on yesterday was incredible. The views were incredible as well in the video too, of the scenery of the beaches and the sea, and the whole thing was just an amazing day. So well, please go and check that out. I really would appreciate it. Right, I'll be back tomorrow for another vlog. So until the next one, guys, see you all soon. Thanks for watching.